The first step is creating the text, and you could do this with the Type tool. For this effect, I highly recommend you to use a handwritten font. I'm using the Aversa font for this one. Hit the Escape key to exit type modes, then click these icons to center the text. In the next step, we're going to add the transparent video on top of the first track. Inside the project panel, click this new icon and select Transparent Video. Accept the defaults and click OK. Take this transparent video from the project panel and put it on the third track of the timeline. Then move over to the effects panel and search for the write-on effect. You'll find it under Video Effects, Generate. Drag it over to the timeline and apply it to the transparent video, then move over to the Effects Control panel. And now we're going to increase the brush size. Make sure that it's large enough to cover the thickness of the text. I will set sharpness to 100%, and I'll put duration on 5 seconds for now. And make sure that brush spacing is set to the lowest number, in this case, the 0.001. Let's zoom in, because this needs to be done very precise. Now, if you click this icon next to Write On, you should be able to freely move the white dot around. And this is the starting point of the writing. To do this, we need to enable keyframes by clicking this stopwatch icon, and then we can freely move the white dot around. I'm going to move it over the text, as if I'm writing, and after repositioning, I'm skipping 2 frames for it by hitting the right arrow key twice. And this is repeated until you've covered the entire text. And as you can see, this now creates a new keyframe for each 2 frames that we skip. Now, when we scroll to the timeline, you can already see the write-on effect. There's only one step left, and that is adding the track matte key effect. You'll find it under Video Effect. Apply this one to the text layer, then move over to the Effects Control panel, and set the matte layer to track number 3. And that's it. We're done creating the write-on effect.